Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Technical Analysis Foundation, the complete professional trading course for beginners. First of all, I want to congratulate all of you to make your very first step to professional trading. My name is Victor. It's my pleasure to be your mentor going through this entire course with all of you together. I've been trading for the past 9 years since the market recovered from the '08 financial crisis. It was a wild ride and a hell of a journey. I've learned and grown so much more, not only as a trader but also as a human being. I'm grateful each day for what I have achieved, and now I wish to make my own contribution to this trading community by sharing this course. And that's why I'm really excited for all of you guys, because what you are about to learn in this course are the things that I was paying thousands of dollars to learn when I started out. And now I make all of them free for you guys so that you don't have to pay expensive online courses or pay the market to teach you the painful lessons. Alright, let's get started. The whole course has 20 modules. In this video, I will do a quick introduction on this course so that you can have a better understanding of how this course works and what this course is all about. First, what you will learn from this course. Basically, you will learn everything fundamental but also crucial knowledge about technical analysis in order to trade professionally, and that includes understand professional traders' edge, chart reading basis, market structures and patterns, risk management, how to build your own trading system, trading psychology, and many more. So once you successfully complete this course, I can guarantee you will have the confidence to enter the market with real money and the ability to approach the market from a technical perspective like a professional trader. Don't get me wrong, if you're completely new, you still need time in the process to generate consistent profit from the market. But this course will definitely open the door for you to prepare you to achieve that. Next, this course, who are this course designed for? This course is mainly designed for beginner traders who wish to learn how to analyze and profit the market with a professional standard technical approach. And when I say beginner traders, it includes 3 groups of people. You never traded before but want to learn more about trading and see if it's good for you. Second, you just started out and want to trade in the right way. Third, you have traded for a while but there's no consistent result. If you belong to one of the 3 groups, this course is perfect for you. For the markets, I mainly trade commodities and stocks in my trading business, so most of the examples you will see in this course will be commodities and stocks. But what you will learn from this course can be also applied in other markets like Forex or cryptocurrencies. Trading style. I'm a short-term to mid-term swing trader, and my 3 main time frame I use are 4-hour charts, daily charts, and weekly charts. But in this course, I do cover some important concepts and techniques on day trading and position trading too. Alright, here I would like to highlight something really important, is that this course is not designed for some certain group of people. If you're a value investor who purely depends on fundamental analysis to make buy and sell decisions, and unfortunately this course is not designed for you. However, I will launch another course in the near future to talk about fundamental analysis, especially on stocks. Second, this course is not designed for the people who want to get rich quick without putting hard work. Trading is probably one of the toughest business you will ever get into, but if you're willing to put hard work, it's definitely the most rewarding business. Third, even though I will introduce some very profitable trading system in this course, one thing you should keep in mind that blindly follow other traders' trading system without a deep understanding how it works is a recipe for disaster. Lastly, this is definitely not a course to turn your $5,000 into $3 million. In fact, you should never trust anyone who says that, because the real professional traders do not think about trading in terms of dollars or money. We have our own way to measure and track our trading performance, which we will talk about in this course. Alright, how to make the most out of this course? I will give you 4 tips. First, I will highly recommend you to have a chart reading software or website that you like. And once you have that, you create a watch list and add 10 of your favorite markets into the watch list. For example, if you're a stock trader, you can choose 10 of your favorite companies and add to your watch list. Whenever you learn something new from this course, immediately go to your watch list and apply what you just learned to these 10 markets. Second, don't be afraid of asking questions in the comment section. Also, please feel encouraged to comment on other questions to help each other as well. By helping others, you will learn even more. Third, try not to skip any modules because most of them are interrelated to each other. And fourth, during the time you go through this course, treat it as a time to learn about yourself and your personality too, because at the end of the day, a high level of self-awareness is crucial to develop the trading system that works the best for you. Lastly, I wanted to talk about why I make this course and give it entirely free to everyone. First, it's all about giving back and making my own contribution to our trading community. I consider myself as a very fortunate trader at the beginning because I received some great help from my early mentor and some other professional traders when I started out. I understand how important it is to get professional help for non-professional beginners. And I do love this trading community and wish to make my own contribution to it. So here I am, sharing all this trading knowledge with as many traders as possible around the world and to help as much as possible. Second, I'm a big believer of universal financial knowledge. What does it mean? I believe everyone deserves the free access to the basic financial knowledge and education to protect our hard-earned savings. I'm sick of seeing some people on the internet selling all this basic knowledge for thousands of dollars. And one of my missions in my life is to let everyone can learn about how to manage their money for free. Third, learning by teaching. I enjoy teaching because it's a great way to keep learning something new and learning something deeper. Matter of fact, I was surprised by how many new things I've learned about trading just by preparing this course for you guys. Sharing what you know and teaching them is a great way to discover the blind spots in my brain and the areas I need to continue working on. Lastly, and also I would probably say it's the most importantly, is that I would like to stay connected with other traders around the world. Trading is a lonely business. For those experienced traders out there, you know what I'm talking about. But being lonely in this business doesn't mean you're alone. There's so many great traders around the world who just like you and me sharing the same passion. That's why I would like to contribute my part to our trading community through this channel and use it as a platform to connect with other passionate traders around the world. So if this is your first time here, you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel and interact with me by leaving your comments below. Also, you can reach me through Twitter or email. Alright, so here is how this entire course looks like. It has 6 main chapters. In each chapter, there are different modules. I will go through every single module in this course with you in the next 20 videos, and I will make sure all of them will stay on my channel for free and for good, so that you can always come back and rewatch them whenever you need. Cool! Let's wrap up this video with one of my favorite legendary trader, Paul Tudor Jones quotes. The secret to being successful from a trading perspective is to have an undying thirst for information and knowledge. Trading is a journey, it's not a destination. Keep learning, keep improving. Trust the process. Alright, enjoy the ride, traders, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.